Okay, so I can see pretty much faces are there. So this is your first auditions. I welcome to you to this platform. Myself Shafali, and I'm your host and the project director of Forever Star India. Okay, and I also welcome Kirti Chaudhary ma'am, who is the director of Forever Star India. So, please, I just wanted to give a round of applause to Kirti ma'am and of course yourself, because you are the beautiful ones and who are there to give your audition round first. आज आपका ऑडिशन है, आप सब जरूर उठे होंगे, ऑडिशंस में उठने से पहले आप नर्वस होंगे कि आज मेरा ऑडिशन है, 6:30 टाइम है, कल राखी है. आई होप आप सब नर्वस होंगे, बट आपको ऑडिशंस देने से कोई नर्वसनेस कुछ भी रोक नहीं सकता, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली वी ऑल आर हियर टू विन द क्राउन. क्राउन किसका? मिस इंडिया का एंड मिसेस इंडिया का. So let's get started with your auditions. Auditions में I will be calling your name one by one और आपको अपना name, after I call your name, आपको introduction देना है, 2 rounds of ramp walk करके बतानी है, and then we can proceed forward. Okay? So I just want a big thumbs up that all you are ready with a big smile on your face, and let's get started. And to boost you up, I would like Kirti ma'am to say some partly and energetic words to you to make you enthusiastic. So I would like Kirti ma'am to join us.
Thank you so much, Shafali, and a very good evening to each one of you. I'm so glad that all of you have gathered this confidence to appear for today's audition. Let me just tell you that Forever Star India is organizing the biggest and the most unique beauty pageants of the country, and you have got the privilege to appear for these auditions of Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. I just want to wish you all the best for today's audition, and do not worry about anything, do not stress over anything, because it is totally about you. You just have to be confident while you're talking about your own self and be unapologetically you. You don't have to pretend to be something else or someone else. You just have to be your most original version today. We just want to know a little more about you, that what do you like to do, what are your hobbies, what are you passionate about, and what are your aspirations, right? Language is no barrier. If you're comfortable in Hindi, you can talk in Hindi for sure. If you're comfortable in English, you can talk in English as well. So English and Hindi are going to be the two languages that we will be using today. But whatever language you are using, make sure you express yourselves efficiently, right? All the best.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. I hope you have all, boost up with the Kirti ma'am's party words. So let's get started with your introduction and the ramp walk. Introduction should be very short, stating your name, your hobbies, and why you wanted to win the crown, why you're here to win the crown. Because ultimately, हम यहाँ पे वो crown ही जीतने आए हैं to become Miss India and Mrs. India. Okay, so let's get started. और हाँ, एक चीज मैं बोल रही हूँ, आफ्टर योर ऑडिशन वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू एन ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट विद इन 24 आवर्स. पर राखी है तो वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद इन 48 आवर्स. मतलब मंडे को यू विल गेट योर ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट. दैट विल गिव यू अ स्टेटमेंट कि आपने अपना ऑडिशन कैसे किया है, आप और आगे कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो थ्रू आवर ट्रेनिंग सेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. एंड so I just want a big smile and big 2 thumbs up, and we are ready to go. Okay, so I would request Seema Tiwari, please unmute yourself and I want your introduction.
Hi, my name is Seema Gyan Prakash Tiwari, and currently I'm studying in SYJC, and I want to win this crown. So in future I want to be a big model. So I want to go to Miss World after this, and then I want to continue my modeling journey after this, and I want to represent India in future for many more things. And sorry.
Okay, Seema, don't be get nervous. मैं भी आपको नहीं जानती, आप भी मुझे नहीं जानते, है ना? So हम दोनों एक दूसरे से पहली बार इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. मैं भी नर्वस हूँ आपसे बात करने के लिए, आप भी नर्वस हो. So please take a deep breath and then you can start again.
Okay. So I want to introduce India towards Miss World, and then I want to become Miss Universe. And maybe if I would become that, then I'll be so happy to represent India in such international levels, so that India could be proud because of me. And and one of my biggest dream is to work with Victoria's Secret's angels, and my favorite one of angel is Gigi Hadid. It would be very, like, dream come true moment if I'll be this kind of person to represent everything in India. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Okay, Seema. So what are your hobbies in spite of becoming a model and everything? कोई और hobby होगी आपकी?
Actually, one of my hobbies is to do makeup, and I like to visit new places. Like, I want to go in every corner of the world. So, in if I will old now, then I'll be not having any regrets. Ke, oh shit, मैं यहाँ नहीं गई, मैं वहाँ नहीं गई, etc. etc. So this is one of my hobbies, and I like to swim, and this much is my hobby.
Okay, Seema. So आपने सबने जाना like कि Seema is into something कि she wanted to prove herself. She don't want regression in her life कि मैंने ये चीज नहीं की अपनी life में. So that's the thing I really like about you, Seema. Can we have you 2 rounds of rap walk?
Okay.
And one more thing, please प्रेरिता अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए. Thank you. Thank you so much, Seema. You may sit back, relax. Your audition has been completed. And मैं आपके पास में वापस से आती हूँ. Okay? Thank you so much, Seema. Moving forward to hi Santoshni. How are you? Let's hear something new about you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi Santoshni.
Good evening to everyone. No matter where are you from, the children's are valid. Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Myself, Santoshni Bhatt. I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I'm 20 years old and I have completed my diploma in IT. And recently, I'm joining in a healthcare sector as an IT engineer. My hobbies are dancing, painting, acting, modeling, and also cooking food. Professionally, I'm a software engineer, but my passion is acting and dancing and also modeling. And I love to do makeup. And I want to win this crown as well as contest because I want to do something for myself. सब बोलते हैं कि हम ये क्राउन जीतने के बाद हम इंडिया के लिए ये करेंगे वो करेंगे बट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वो नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि अकेली एक रास्ते पे जाना डिफिकल्ट है पर हम सबको साथ में लेके जाएंगे हम सबको इंस्पायर करके पूरा बहुत सारे लड़के हम जाएंगे तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन डू समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर इंडिया एंड डेफिनेटली मैं चाहूँगी कि मैं ये क्राउन जीतूँ एंड मैं इंस्पायर करूँ सबको सब लड़कियों को स्पेशली मैं एक हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करना चाहती हूँ उड़ीसा में क्योंकि उड़ीसा में चलता है कि ये लाइन ठीक नहीं है एंड ऑल सो ये सब मेंटेलिटी में चेंज करना चाहती हूँ फर्स्ट थिंग एंड थैंक यू सो मच इट्स ऑल अबाउट माई सेल्फ
Thank you so much, Santoshni. I'm really happy कि आप यहाँ पे stereotypes break करने आई हैं and you wanted to prove yourself. Really happy to see that. Can we have you 2 rounds of rap walk?
Yeah, ma'am, sure. I'm with you.
Thank you so much, Santoshni. I'm really happy. I really love your dress. I hope you all love her dress too. Okay, so let's proceed with Sadhna Singh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Sadhna. How are you?
I'm fine. Hello.
So it's your first audition. How you feeling, Sadhna?
Great.
इतनी कोशिशों के बाद में your first audition has been, proceeded.
हाँ, मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा.
Okay.
And
Let's start with your introduction, Sadhna.
intro. Okay. Hi, this is Sadhna Singh. My age is 21 years. My height 5'3" inch. And my hobbies dancing, singing, modeling, of course modeling, and acting. That's all about me. And मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं एक मॉडल बनूं, बट मतलब फैमिली यहाँ के लोग बाग को इतना सपोर्ट नहीं रहता, बट मैं खुद से चाहती हूँ, मेरी सिस्टर सपोर्ट करती है कि हाँ तू चल कर लेगी, तू कर ले. तो इस चीज को लेके, इस फील्ड में जाने को लेके मतलब अवेयरनेस लाना चाहती हूँ कि ये फील्ड भी अच्छा होता है, इसमें भी प्रोग्रेस कर सकती हैं लड़कियां. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ अदर फील्ड ही जॉब ही करो, गवर्नमेंट सर्विस ही करो तो उससे ही कुछ होगा. इससे भी बहुत कुछ होगा. अपना अपना पैशन होता है. मैं इसको लेके पैशनेट हूँ एक्चुअली.
I'm really happy to see your passion. Okay, क्योंकि हम लोग सब लोग यहाँ पे अपने पैशन को शो करने के लिए, किसी का पैशन डांस में होता है, किसी का पैशन मॉडलिंग में होता है, एंड आपका पैशन टू बिकम FCR 2021 है. So I'm really happy and I'm really proud of you all. Okay, so can we have your 2 rounds of ramp walk?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I really need a for every candidate because it's your first audition.
Just a minute. Okay, ma'am. मैं दिख रही हूँ आपको?
Yes, yes, you may start.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sadhna. You may sit back, relax, और फिर मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's proceed with Prerita. Hi, Prerita. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please start with your introduction.
My name is Prerita Dwivedi. I'm from Siddharth Nagar, but I'm currently studying in Lucknow University, and I'm doing law from Lucknow University, of course. And my hobbies are singing, dancing, basketball player. I want to be a basketball player in past. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm very nervous to talking with you.
मैं भी आपको
And
पहली बार ही देख रही हूँ. Don't be nervous.
and I want to become a Miss India. I'm not. Now I'm talking in Hindi because मेरी English यहीं तक थी. तो मैम मैं मिस इंडिया बनना चाहती हूँ. मिस इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ. जाहिर है कि पूरी दुनिया में इंडिया अभी भी काफी पीछे, बहुत लोग जो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज है वो बहुत ही पीछे देखती है. तो अब तक ज्यादातर मिस वर्ल्ड, मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया से ही निकले हुए हैं. तो नेक्स्ट भी जाहिर है कि नेक्स्ट भी अब इंडिया से ही निकलेंगे. ये कॉन्फिडेंस है. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. और बस मैम.
Okay, so could you please repeat your hobbies as well, please?
I'm singing, dancing, and I want to be a I love basketball, so I
Okay,
I
yeah,
love
yeah. You love
basketballs and
basketball. Yes, yes. Okay. So can we have you do rounds? Is it comfortable for you?
sorry ma'am, I didn't.
I just want you 2 rounds of ramp for Pridita.
Okay ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you ma'am.
And you're looking really lovely and your smile, I love it. Thank you. Let's proceed with Isha. Hi, Isha. The one with wearing a sari. Please unmute yourself. Isha, unmute करो नीचे. There is an icon, mic का icon है, उस पे click करके unmute.
मैम हेलो मैम
Hi, Isha. How are you?
हेलो मैम एक्चुअली मेरा नाम मिसेस प्रियंका दत्ता है ईशा गलती से आ गया
Okay, okay. Please proceed.
मेरा नाम मिसेस प्रियंका दत्ता है आई एम फ्रॉम आसाम तिनसुकिया एंड आई लव मॉडलिंग माय हॉबी इज कुकिंग एंड डांसिंग
Okay. And आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं? आप क्यों क्राउन को जीतना चाहते हैं? क्यों FCR 2021 बनना चाहते हैं?
क्योंकि मेरा बचपन से मतलब मॉडलिंग करने का बहुत शौक था और मैं आसाम को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ मिसेस इंडिया में तो मैं क्राउन इसलिए जीतना चाहती हूँ
Okay. So could we have your ramp walk, the 2 rounds of ramp walk, so that I can see you completely?
ओके मैम थोड़ा रुके पालकी हाँ
Okay. Thank you so much, Isha. It was lovely to see you in a sari, the black one. I really like it.
थैंक यू मैम एक्चुअली मेरा नाम प्रियंका है
Yeah, sorry, Priyanka.
हाँ
Priyanka.
थैंक यू
Please change your name with Isha to Priyanka Datta.
ओके थैंक यू
Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Okay,
Well-
let's proceed with FCR 2021 जिसका name ये show कर रहा है and she is wearing a white shirt with long hair. Yes, thank you. Please
Very
may I
good
know your name? आपका name क्या है?
Ma'am, myself Sarita.
Sarita. Your name is Sarita, right? Or
Yes, ma'am.
Sangeeta?
Serita, ma'am.
Okay, please start with your introduction.
Very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
And respected Kriti ma'am and Shefali ma'am, welcome you.
Thank you so much.
Myself Sarita, and I belong from Haryana, but currently I'm living in Delhi, and I'm nursing officer pursuing masters in Italy. But it's my personal hobby to be a participant of Miss India, and I'm participating first time. It's very true. Earlier, I never have participated in this kind of events, but everyone has listened that medical people are very strict to their studies only. But along with my studies and being a medical student, I also want to be a creative and I want to do multitasking. So that's why I this time got this opportunity and to represent myself.
Okay. So Sarita, may I know your hobbies as well?
My hobbies are to help others, and this is my personal interest to be a participant of Miss India. If I will be a winner, then I will encourage those people who cannot reach till this platform because of their illiteracy and their socio-economic condition, and to guide them, motivate them to reach at this platform. And second one is this is for my personal interest, and my hobbies are helping others, studying books and cooking, and to be a creative person. And I am very full of confidence, and I want to represent at myself at every stage of life with full enthusiasm.
Thank you so much, Sarita. I'm really happy to see that कि आपकी uniqueness आपकी helping others है. But helping others हम करते हैं, but with a big smile. I wanted to see your smiling face because it's your first audition. Yes, that's what Sarita is. So let's have your 2 rounds of ramp walk, Sarita.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Please proceed.
Ma'am, am I visible to you?
Yes, you are completely visible to me. You can start. Okay, thank you so much, Sarita. You may sit back, relax. Your audition has been completed. Okay, moving towards to Isha Mehra. Hi, Isha. How are you?
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Isha. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What's about you?
I am fine. Look at me.
You're actually looking very pretty, ma'am.
Thank you so much. You may start with your introduction.
All right, ma'am. Okay. So my name is Isha Mehra, and currently I'm 19 years old. I'm a mass communication student right now. And apart from this, I'm an entrepreneur by profession. So basically, my hobbies are dancing and singing and reading books.
Okay, and what about why you wanted to win the crown?
I want to win the crown just because, ma'am, actually क्या है कि मॉडलिंग को लेकर काफी जो मेंटेलिटी है मेरे सोसाइटी में वो काफी गलत है. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू डू दिस कि मेरे जो घर में इवन मैं पर्टिकुलरली अगर मैं अपनी फैमिली की बात करूं या फिर अगर सोसाइटी की बात करूं तो जो थिंकिंग है जो माइंडसेट है मॉडलिंग को लेकर, सो आई जस्ट वांट टू चेंज दैट बाय विनिंग दिस क्राउन.
Okay, so Isha, can we have your 2 rounds of ramp up? So I really wanted to see your dress.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Guys, it's your audition. Please be a motivated, audience over here.
Ma'am, am I visible to you?
Yes, completely visible, Isha. You may start.
Yeah, that's all, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Isha. I really love your dress.
Thank you so much.
Really, this audition has, proved me that कि सब prepare होके आए हैं. They were all ready with their dress on, with their, introduction on. Really good. Moving towards to Chetana Deshra. Hi. Yeah, you can say. I can listen to you.
Hello.
Hello. Is it your correct name? Because I don't have a name with you.
No, I'm Vanna Singh.
Yes. Okay. Hi, Vanna. How are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am. What about you?
I always say that I'm really good. Okay. So let's proceed with the introduction.
Yeah. I'm Vanna Singh. I'm based here in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India's independent woman. I manage my house, my job, my husband's business. I am empathetic, a strong woman who believes to shine in any circumstances. I believe in human, so I took care of 56 dogs whom I have adopted, and I am taking care of them here in Ahmedabad. And my mantra of life is like if a woman wants to shine, she can do it at any age and at any business. She can come out of any darkness and she can shine like that.
Age doesn't matter.
Yes, age is just a number for anyone.
Yes. And what about your hobbies?
I like to go for long drives in rainy season. and listening to the music, especially old musics.
Okay. Because old is gold.
Yeah, true.
Can we have your 2 rounds of rap walk?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. You can say it, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you may start.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Vandana. Really, really happy to see the enthusiasm you are portraying over here. जो आपके अंदर
I am 46 years of age currently, but really I just want to what you say, like I just want to give an example to the society that if a woman want to come to shine at any age, she can do it anything. Like age is not a means, age is like a number. Age doesn't matter for anything.
Yes, exactly, exactly. And it's showing us कि आप इतने enthusiasm हो, इतने powerful हो, and आपको portrait ही ये सब कुछ prove करता है. Really happy to take your
And
award.
this is my office, you can see.
Okay.
I'm doing this ramp walk in my office.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Vandana. Let's proceed with Sadhya Singha. Hi, Sandhya. Did the pronunciation was correct? Sandhya with blue t-shirt or top she's wearing. Top पहन रखा है ना आपने? Sandhya, आपको मेरी voice आ रही है? Okay, her audio is not connected. Okay, so आप सबके auditions complete हो गए हैं. I will get back to Sandhya, okay, within a while. And आज आपने अपना audition complete कर दिया है. आप really, आपको देखकर आपको ये तो पता चल गया होगा कि हम सब लोग different है एक दूसरे से. पर आज जिसने हमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी प्रोवाइड करी है इस फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली हम यहाँ पे एक पैशन के लिए आए हैं, और वो पैशन क्या है? टू बिकम मिस इंडिया और मिसेस इंडिया. क्योंकि हमारे अंदर एक ऐसी चीज है स्टीरियोटाइप ब्रेक करना, अपने आप को प्रूव करना, टू शो व्हाट वी आर एंड व्हाट वी आर केपेबल ऑफ, राइट? सो हम यहाँ पे इसलिए आए हैं. So now our director ma'am is here, and I really wanted to invite her and say all the the last parting words and give you all the boost up. I'm really happy to see all of you with your auditions. You have really done well with your audition, और आपको 48 hours में you will get received your audition report. So over to you, Kirti ma'am.
Thank you, and thank you so much for appearing so beautifully for your auditions. I am sure all of you are feeling a little relieved now that, okay, finally we are done. So let me just tell you that, as soon as you receive your audition reports in the next 24 to 48 hours, because tomorrow is a Sunday, right? So most probably by Monday or Tuesday, you will be receiving your audition reports, whether you're selected or not selected. Now, the first condition, if you are selected, then you will have to go through a few rounds of training and grooming sessions. And these training and grooming sessions are for you to become the best version of yourselves. Because we will have the grand finale in the month of December between 15th and 20th of that month. Now, what are these training and groomings going to be all about? So we have 150 plus trainers here, which includes motivational speakers, we have image consultants, we have fashion stylists, fashion designers, motivational speakers, and choreographers. So you just name the profile and we have those here. Now, these trainers are going to work with you every once or twice a week. You will have to attend these 2 to 3 hour sessions on the basis of your feasibility. If you say that मैं morning में free होती हूँ, so you will be placed in a morning batch. If you're free in the evenings, you will be placed in an evening batch. But overall, we want you to see the improvement every day. We want you to see the progress. And that progress is going to be with respect to your own identity. You will not compare yourself with someone else here. So Sadhana, your competition is not with Santoshini or for that matter, with Seema. Your competition is going to be with your own self, that what you are today when you're appearing for this audition and what you become when you come for the grand finale in December, right? So your first target has to become a city winner. Once you become a city winner, then that is for sure that you're appearing for the grand finale. And then there is no looking back, right? Secondly, if I talk about the lifetime membership, as soon as you complete your participation process, you will be getting a lifetime membership of this platform, Forever Star India. What does this mean? What is lifetime membership? So your profile is going to be here forever. Just like you have your profiles on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, the same way you will have your individual profile on Forever Star India Awards community. And this community is going to be there forever to motivate you, to inspire you, to help you in getting numerous business opportunities in future. So when you said that I want to be a model, I want to be an actor, I want to explore this field, that means you are totally on the right platform. आपको modeling के लिए भी opportunities यहाँ पे दी जाएंगी on the basis of the capability that you possess. You never know that as an actor, we might directly collaborate with you. As a trainer, we might directly collaborate with you in the coming seasons, right? Now, this participation process requires you to pay a fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST. In this 4,000 plus GST, you get yourself lifetime membership. You get these training and grooming sessions till December. You get yourself top Google ranking as Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. And apart from this, the numerous benefits that obviously the details I'm sure you have got till now. So अच्छे से research कीजिए, go through our Facebook, Instagram and our YouTube channels. वहाँ पे follow. Right, so you must follow us there so that you have an idea that what kind of trainers do we have on board, what kind of sessions we are doing, and what is the event all about. If there's anything that you would want to know, you would want to ask, please feel free to ask. Okay, so everybody is sorted? Perfect. Yes, Sadhana, you want to say something?
Yes.
Tell me.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, ये पूछना चाह रही थी कि इसका ग्रैंड फिनाले कब होगा, मतलब किस मंथ में?
ग्रैंड फिनाले दिसंबर में होगा, इसी साल में 15 से 20 दिसंबर के बीच में.
ये जानना था एक्चुअली मुझे, पर कंफर्म नहीं था.
ओके ओके, नहीं ये कंफर्म डेट्स है कि दिसंबर में सेकंड वीक में ही होगा ग्रैंड फिनाले.
Okay.
Right? Okay. All right. So I guess
मैम अगर आप एक्चुअली अगर आपका आईडी देखना है, आपको मतलब फॉलो एक्चुअली करना है, तो कहाँ से जाके आपको कुछ?
शिफाली, आप जो डिटेल्स हैं फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया के फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब वो शेयर कर दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में, तो आप लोग सब स्क्रीनशॉट वहां से ले सकते हैं एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन फॉलो अस डायरेक्टली. राइट?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. And Shifali will share the details shortly, so you can just take a screenshot and do follow us on all of these platforms to gain clarity.
Hello.
Yes, Isha, tell me.
Actually, मेरा नाम प्रियंका है.
Yes, Priyanka.
मुझे पूछना था ये ग्रैंड फिनाले कौन सी जगह में होगा?
Grand finale is going to happen in Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, and it will happen in a 5-star property and resort.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Thank you. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so just one more minute and the details will be there. And yes, all the best from my side. I hope to see most of you in the training and grooming sessions. All the best.
Thank you.